All right, what's up guys? My name is Nick. I'm 25 years old and this is my 2015 GTR. Yeah, I've been into cars like my entire life. Just growing up playing with little Hot Wheels, watching Fast and the Furious movies, and then just me and my friends always been into cars. I got my first car when I graduated high school. My first car was my BMW E92 M3. Me and a group of my friends, we all had BMWs at the time. Me and my friends used to just always cruise around, go to car meets, go to car events, car shows. I've just always been around cars my entire life pretty much. So the Nissan GTR has been my dream car my entire life. Always made it a goal of mine to get one, and I made a goal that on my 23rd birthday I would buy a GTR, and I finally did it. It's my absolute dream car. I love this car so much. From the speed, to the looks, to the attention it gets, everything is perfect. It's so much fun. So I've owned a lot of cars, pretty much all BMWs. This is my first Nissan. I had a BMW E92, that was my first car. Then I had a BMW E36 M3, BMW E46 M3. So it was pretty much all BMW stuff until I finally got my dream car, which was the Nissan GTR. I still do have a BMW, I have the E46 still, and I have a 350Z now. So I don't know, we're starting to go to JDM now, but I'm still a BMW guy at heart. So I've done a few things to the GTR, starting off with the outside. We have the carbon fiber front lip, which I think makes the GTR look super aggressive. We have the carbon fiber side skirts. And then we have a carbon fiber ducktail trunk on the car. I think it makes it look very, very mean. We have 18-inch wheels. They are Volk ZE40s, running on all Mickey Thompson tires. I love this tire and wheel setup. I think it makes the car look really beefy and mean. And then the fun stuff is all under the hood. It's full bolts on, so it makes about 700 horsepower. We have bigger intakes, bigger fuel pumps, bigger injectors. It runs on full 85. It's super fun, super fast. It's probably one of the funnest cars I've ever driven. Probably one of the fastest cars I've ever driven too. This car is on lowering springs. My last car, my BMW, was on air suspension. With the BMW, I was more of like show car driven. Now I'm like, I just want to go fast. So I think it just handles way better on the lowering springs on this car. I just love the setup right now. I do miss the look of air suspension. I love when the car is on the floor, but this car just handles super good right now. I love how it is. I love how it's set up. It is just scary trying not to mess up this front lip when going to driveways and stuff like that. I've been in the car scene for a couple years now. I also have a YouTube channel at Finding Nick. I film a bunch of cool car content on there, and I just love being around cars, being around a bunch of friends, driving around, doing cool stuff. But the car scene is super cool, just networking with different people, meeting new people. And it's also cool just seeing other people's builds too, not just my own, seeing people build them the way they like. So the car is wrapped in Celestial Unicorn. It's one of their special edition colors. It looks awesome. The first time I seen this color was at SEMA last year on Alex Choi's Lambo. As soon as I saw it, I ordered it right away because I knew I had to have this color. I absolutely love the attention it gets. I literally can't drive the car anywhere without people stopping, taking pictures of the car, asking me if that's a paint job, is that a wrap job? And I just love it. I love the look of it. And I've always been about bright colors on all my cars. I just want something that stands out and just brings a lot of attention and also just different. First time I heard about Inozetek was probably on Instagram. I seen their crazy colors and finishes. And that's when I wrapped my BMW E92 in the neon mint color. Ever since then, I wrapped all my cars in Inozetek and I absolutely love them. For future modifications on the GTR, I think just make it faster. I'm pretty happy with how the car looks on the exterior. I like it pretty simple, but I do want to make it faster, maybe upgrade the turbos, get to that like 900,000 horsepower mark. I think that's like my goal. So the GTR is my dream car. It's always gonna be my dream car, but like if I had unlimited money, I think my ultimate dream car would probably be an Aventador SVJ. I absolutely love that car, the way it sounds, the way it drives, and the way it looks, bro. Like the presence that SVJ has, bro, it's crazy. Like I said, I have a YouTube channel. I started it maybe about 3 years ago. The way I started it, I was already into the car scene, but I wasn't filming anything. And I had a friend that had a YouTube channel already. Shout out to John Hicks, he has 1 million subscribers already. And he would always tell me, bro, you're going to car events already, just film it. Pick up a camera, start filming it, filming your life and posting it on YouTube, see what happens. And it actually took off a little bit, which is freaking awesome. I'm super blessed. I've been doing the car content for a little bit. It's super fun. And like I said, it's just so fun meeting new people, driving new cars, and then just building like a cool little fan base and like a family built all around my channel. It's freaking awesome. It's pretty awesome though. I built like a really sick fan base where now I'm able to host my own car events and have a bunch of my supporters come out, meet me, cruise with me, and just hang out. I think that's like the coolest thing about this. I think some of my favorite content has to be with my drift car, my E46 M3. It's fully built and I always take it to the track, get some drifting content. And it seems like a lot of people love those videos. I absolutely love making them. But it's cool to go from drifting to like racing, and then I also have a Z that's a little like show car-ish. So I have a little bit of everything for the channel, which is freaking awesome. And it just gives me a bunch of different content, keeps the channel fresh, and just different things for people to watch. But yeah, if you guys like the GTR, you guys can find some more content on my YouTube channel at Finding Nick. We post a lot of cool videos, BMWs, GTRs, and also hopefully a new car on the channel soon. And we're also gonna be wrapping my 350Z in a new Inozetek color soon, so stay tuned for that.